Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my salmon salad. First thing we're going to do is check in your fridge and see if you have some leftover salmon. If you don't, go to the store and get you some salmon, season it and fry that bad boy up and mash it up like just what I'm doing in the video. And make sure you get yourself celery, spring onions and red onions. Chop that bad boys all together and you add it up together, the salmon and the chopped stuff. You add them all together. First thing we're going to do is put our apple cider vinegar. Yep, I just put a little bit because I'm not a fan of that. And next you put sweet relish. Ooh, and then garlic powder. Ooh. Sento is cooking. Let me stop. And after that, you put your mayo. If you want a little bit of mayo, then you can put a little bit. If you want more, you can put more. Up to you. Everything is up to you. I'm putting my stuff to what I like and what's my heart's content. And add some salts, of course. And canyepepper. Sprinkle that bad boy in. I will even add more canyepepper, but not this brand, another brand, because that one is spicier. You feel me? I like my food hot. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so right now. I would really appreciate that. We're trying to get to 11K subscribers. See, I told you guys I was going to add more pepper. I love my food hot. I really do. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. If you never share my video, please do so. Try any of my food if you like some. My recipe that I've been cooking, And that's how you make some salmon salad. I love it. It was so good. We finished it in one day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until later. Bye-bye.